So, business crash course. We're gonna simplify things for all the business people out there. And why? Because business people, they're used to having to follow super many rules to get their, business to work as someone, especially with taxes. They have to hire out, or they have to spend a lot of time on reporting and accounting and paying and so on. So the business crash course here is going to show you that how simple it is to legally avoid all IRS taxes for any business in the United States. Any large, small, it doesn't matter. Uh, avoid, and it's not just avoid paying the IRS income taxes, it's avoid reporting. In other words, there are no forms to fill out for your business to the IRS for the rest of your life if you run any type of business. Okay, it's really simple to do this. Okay, it literally could take one single day. Nothing in your business changes to your clients or anything. This is a back end thing. It is super simple to do. Takes almost no time. It'll be one of the easiest things you ever do in business. Just open a trust account, and we'll go through that. And but it's going to be one of the best things you ever do for your business because you legally avoid all IRS income taxes, and you legally avoid. This is actually a super uncomplicated process. This is not like you're not diving down any rabbit hole or anything like that. This is something we've been doing for a long time now. John, my name's John McKay. Excuse me. I have an MBA, and I go right behind. Back when schools were people going to school, I had an MBA and a master's in accounting. I got 40 years in experience in business, and we have a lot of proof about all this. Okay, so this is. There's never been a concern or worry or any negative about this to any student, to myself, or anyone. This is super easy to do and has no negative blowback whatsoever. It just helps out your life in so many ways. That's the only thing that happens. Nothing else happens except for that. Really, your life gets easier and simplified. Okay, so what is Liberty Aid Academy? Good question. Good question. Liberty Aid Academy teaches our students to radically improve their lifestyle with legal, easy to use financial methods, not widely known but proven by testimonials to work for all of our students. Our courses all use copyrighted, unique material only used at our school. All our students' testimonials have a notarized affidavit proving their outcomes and testimonials are 100% real by real people just like you. Yeah, we have the proof, and this is my copyrighted work. So yeah, no one else has it. So these are the courses we have. Okay, you always start with a trust over there on the left. Everyone starts with a trust for your business. If you want to get, you always start with a trust. You open your trust. That's it, right? And business finance 101. If you want that information, and I recommend it for our business people. That is step by step how you build credit for your trust, credit card, blah blah, everything, all credit. So what happens? You make your donation, right? This is an online school, okay? I'm your instructor, and we have a team here to support your learning process, okay? You go on, you make your donation, and this is what happens. You log into your student portal here, okay? And this is what it looks like. Your courses are there on the right, and it's like, oh, you click in there, and it's self-guided learning, and we're here by email to support you. It's really easy to do this, okay? I simplified it over all these years, because we don't want to waste anyone's time, okay? Business people, they're trying to add time to their real life and put in less time in their business life and get more money out of the business, right? To have their own, personal, family, whatever time, right? So that's what happens with this. Okay, this helps do that in every way, shape, or form. Okay, you have a bank account, but you need a bank account anyway. You're not duplicating any costs or services or anything like that. You already need a bank account. You just replace. Uh, well, we'll go through that. We'll go through how it happens. It's super simple. But anyway, here's your student portal right here, and so not only are your courses on the right, but your FAQs are in the middle. Oh, we've had a lot of questions, right? So we're used to people's questions and what they may be. So we keep it simple, but we're here for everyone. Um, and then the community forum is just a fantastic private forum only for our students. It just I love it in there. I'm in there monitoring, answering questions, what have you. But a lot of people have a lot of successes and find out new hacks and all this stuff, and they're super excited and they share. So that is fantastic over there. I mean, it just comes with your courses and everything. It's just it's a real school. You get to mix it up with your classmates who are also successful business people and doing what they're doing. And how rare is that? People smart, enlightened, follow the truth. Our school has proof. So it's fantastic. We've been around a long time, so there's a wealth of information in there. All right, so how does this work? Okay, this is a trust crash course. Any business can be tax free. All right, it's super simple. As soon as you open this trust, all right, we walk you through. We have all the documents. We have everything. You don't have to know anything. You have to just make your donation, and then we know how to do it. You just follow step by step. What happens? As soon as you open the trust and you get that EIN, it's automatically a 501c3 tax exempt trust. Automatically. Without application. It's unbelievable. And if you want other tax exemptions, as someone like, oh, I want to, I do a lot of state sales taxes, whatever. That kind of stuff, you apply for those, but you get it automatically with the IRS. Automatically, you get 501c3 status, but it's a non-reporting status. You don't file annually, and you don't apply to get this 501c3 status past getting the EIN. It's the most simple process. There's almost nothing to it. We walk you through it. You can do it super quickly. And then what happens? Uh, oh, okay. I started the paperwork, right? I have my trust documents. I have my EIN. And then what do? You just go to the bank, you open a trust. Okay, that's it. And then, well, how do you get paid? Oh, I've had, business people tell me, well, I get paid by PayPal or Stripe or some payment gateway or Shopify or, ClickFunnels or what have you. Yeah. So what you're going to do is you get that account in the name of your trust. And you just link that to your trust bank account. Is it totally a back end thing? You see what I'm saying? Nothing changes on the front end of your business to any of your clients whatsoever, unless it's like, uh, excuse me, um, unless it's like someone that's like, oh, I take checks for my business, and that's okay. You can take checks for your business, no problem. You just change the invoice to, make payment to blah blah trust. We give you that instruction, but that's it. That's it. Nothing else. You literally do nothing else to change any business in the United States to non-reporting to the IRS and non-paying to the IRS completely legally, and you get that status from the IRS. So it's not like you're not fooling anybody, you're not tricking anybody, you're not doing anything untoward. You're following what's possible from the IRS. That's it. And that's why we have so many testimonials. So you're completely unworried because this works for everyone. There's no student that's like, oh, this didn't work now. This works 100% of the time. Okay, no one fails at this. That's impossible. Okay, that literally is impossible. This is so simple to do, and we're here to support you and give you step-by-step instructions. It's super easy to do. Okay, and you got to check out our testimonials. We have so many. We've had them for years and years and years and years, and currently, we keep building, our whole resume or what have you, our proof pile from our students whose lives are changed so much for the better that they're like, hey, I'll make a testimony. It's like, yay, wonderful, lovely. I'm so glad we helped you, and your life is happier. Yay. So what did Dee Dee have to say about it? These are just quotes taken from their videos, okay, that you could go watch on YouTube or on our website. This is just a quote. You should hear the rest of it, right? That's so Dee Dee. You save my life, even though it doesn't look like much has changed. Everything has changed. Such a clever quote because you see, you're not reporting. You're not having to pay taxes. It doesn't look like anything has changed because, every president's like, well, I can't show you my taxes because what? They don't have any. It's legal to do this. You know, do what the wealthy elite do, and then what? You have more time and more money. That's what you're supposed to do in business, right? Find out a way to decrease your expenses and decrease the time you spend on your business. This does both of those things immediately. And then forever. You see what I'm saying? Nothing gives back to any business like this change. Nothing, literally nothing can give back to any business like this. Uncomplicated, legal, takes, a day. It's so easy.